Welcome to the Daily Message. Again, this week I am trying to make some suggestions as to things that we can say and think and do that might help to heal the divisiveness in our country, whatever divisiveness might be in our parish, and even in our own families. I know that when I'm talking with friends or family, there are times when I am really just too quick to rush to judgment. I'm too quick to think to myself, what do they know? That they're too young, they're too old, they're too conservative, they're too liberal, they're too this or they're too that. And when I do that, I am showing the same prejudice that I criticize in others. And so what I'm suggesting that we might want to do to overcome divisiveness is to take the time to try to understand, truly understand what other people are saying and doing. That we try to take some time to figure out, to understand where others are coming from when they say and do the things that they do. What is it in their life experience that has led them to the conclusions that they're drawing? Why do they believe this way? Why do they act this way? And if we understand that, it might make more sense. And then, even when we do find that we disagree with someone, that we also try to understand ourselves a little better and try to understand why we disagree with someone. Something that goes beyond just, well, I'm of this party and they're of the other party, or I'm older than they are. They're my kids. What did they know? And so I'm suggesting that just as I said yesterday, we try to listen more carefully, that we also try to take the time and make the effort to truly understand what other people are trying to say. Thank you once again for watching. Have a wonderful day.